Hey folks, welcome back to our channel, Mountain Off Road Excursions. Experience more. So this would be day 7 of our trip, pretty much the final day, and we will be leaving Whipsaw here shortly. Some guys are peeling off on their own, and I think 6 of us continue to Canoe Mountain. Anyways, here we are, headed down to Princeton to fill up. Kind of look like a shadow of Mitch. One last cool bridge. I think we get filled up at the petrol can there, and Peter and Mitch left us there. Tilton left us a little bit earlier. And then past Barrier, we hit rain, and did it rain hard. This truck was upside down over by Clamina, on its side rather, just past the Clamina snowmobile area. At Barrier, Mike took off ahead of us and went home, and that just left Sean, Brad, myself, Bruce, Walter, Don. I think that was it. And we actually got up above the clouds. Like, it was pouring rain down below, and we got above the cloud. Not too often you could say you drove above the cloud. And don't shoot the messenger here, but I believe I seen that Canoe Mountain is the highest drivable road in Western Canada. So the elevation of Canoe Mountain, 8,698 feet, or 2,651 meters above sea level. It's a long, steep climb up, and it is rough, like bumpy rough. Mind you, 6 days of bouncing around in the Jeep. We were pretty tired by this point, so. Lots of switchbacks. Years ago, I tried taking my quad up here in early September, and I got skunked. Sorry, mid-September. Couldn't get through the snow. So coming up this time, it was my first time actually making it through the top. And once we got up there, we started getting back into the cloud again. So we were kind of above the cloud just for a little bit. So I'm not too sure how many thousands of kilometers we did. I want to say we're at least over 3,000 kilometers for this full trip. And I'd like to once again thank everybody for coming, because, you know, without your presence, these trips are kind of pointless. It was a great group of people to go with, and I'd wheel with any of you guys any day. I had a blast. So here we are up at the weather station near the top of the canoe. The road carries on. You get up to this memorial cross at the top. We did a lineup where everybody stood in front of the vehicles. I had the camera settings done wrong, and yeah, it didn't turn out. I'm not too sure the story to the cross, but yeah, there it is. And it was cold up there. We're come up wearing shorts, t-shirts, and yeah. So that's Billy way in the distance there. I'm standing in the same place, and I just used the zoom on the camera. I really like my zoom. Few good shots of Bruce. Survey marker. And that's the remainder of us. Me, Walter, Brad, Bruce, Billy, Don, Ashley, and Sean. Don't jump, Bruce. It ain't worth it. It's a long ways down. And once we got down off of Canoe Mountain, I think we were back in Valemount around, I don't know, 8, 9 p.m. No hotels were left. We ended up driving all the way to Edson. It was pouring rain, and I wasn't putting a tent up in the rain. Got some more drone footage here from Bruce. You can see us way in the distance on our way back down. Yeah, by the time we hit Edson, it was like 2 in the morning. And my one rear fender was partially falling off again. So, well, Brad and Ashley were still at the hotel room. I got up earlier and went and got some pins and clips there for my fender. While I was there, I bumped into Ruby Tim from the Bigger, Better, Faster channel and his wife, Barb. So we had brunch with them, and from there we headed out. So, like I said, I really appreciate everybody coming and taking time out and using your holidays to come on this run with me. And I hope to catch you guys on another run, sooner than later. It'd also be cool to know everyone's thoughts, like which trails you liked, which ones you didn't, which ones you would definitely want to do again, or other trails that you might want to do. There's a marmot on the rocks. There's a whole bunch of marmots out there. And now for the long drive back to Alberta. Thanks for watching, folks. See you out there. Bye.